All right, let's go ahead and make a paper airplane just for you. The first step, place paper in a vertical manner, fold in half and make a crease. Here's the paper, of course. Just vertical crease across the way. Like that. Take the top two corners and bend them inward so they line up with the crease. Sounds good. Let's go ahead and do it like that. Easy peasy. All right. This isn't it doesn't have to be perfect. It's paper airplane. All right, take the triangle and form it inward to make a rectangle. Don't think that's how you're supposed to make it, but you know what? Rules are rules. So let's follow them. Similar to step one, take the top two again? Okay. It's getting a bit weird. How small is this paper airplane supposed to be? We're just gonna keep making origami here? Alright, folding multiple layers over is kind of cramping my style here. Take the left side and fold it towards the crease so the edge lines up with the center. The word's a bit weird, but I think I get it. Actually, I don't think I do. So like, how's this supposed to go? Left side, fold it towards the crease so it lines up with the center. So like that. That doesn't look anything like my paper airplane. Hold up. Maybe like, oh, like this. This is how it's supposed to be done. All right. Got it. Yeah. Easy peasy. Repeat step 5, but for the right side. Okay. Think I get it. At least I hope I do. There we go. Like that. Yeah. Fold it in half lengthways towards me. Okay, so like this. Like that. Okay. Lengthways towards me. Take one of the two edges and fold it inwards to line up to edge, flip the paper, and repeat. Don't know what it's referring to with take one of the two edges and fold it inward up to the edge. Are we talking about these little like triangle thingies protruding out the back? Or are we talking about like this little square bit here? I think it's talking about the square bit. How am I supposed to fold this inwards up to the edge? Like this, like push it inwards, inverted, I think that's what you want. Let's try that. There we go. All right, I think that'll do it. Grab by the center, protruding edge, and you're done. Gotta say, this doesn't look like any paper airplane I've seen, but you know what? Why not? I've gotta follow the instructions, you know? See, can this thing actually fly, though? Applies as well as my other paper airplanes, I guess.